Welcome to Primary Offer. This is an explainer video to help you navigate the Primary Offer web app to buy MTN shares. You can access the web app via www.primaryofferng.com. You can also download the Primary Offer app on Google Play Store and App Store. If this is your first time coming to the site, click on Create an Account in the top right-hand corner. Enter your BVN and your date of birth and click Continue. Your information should automatically be generated. Fill out the rest of the boxes on this page and tick the relevant box at the bottom and click Continue. Confirm that the email address displayed is correct and click Proceed. If not, click on the No, Let Me Change button. You will be sent an OTP. Please check your email address and click OK. Don't forget to check your junk mail. Your user sign-up is successful. Please check that your email address is correct and enter your OTP and click OK. Your user verification is successful. Log in using your email address and password. You will land on the offerings page. Click on the MTN offer. Read the overview and all the details pertaining to the offer. Click on the text highlighted blue to read the shelf prospectus, the pricing supplement, and the term sheet. Once you have read all the details, you can now choose your shares. Enter the amount of shares you would like to purchase in the subscribed units box and tick to confirm you have read and accepted the terms and conditions. In order to make payment for the transaction, you will need to have a CSCS number. If you don't, click on the No I Don't button to create one. On the next page, click Proceed to create your CSCS number. Confirm if you have a preferred stockbroker by moving the toggle button to the left or right to select Yes or No. If yes, select your preferred broker from the drop-down menu. Fill in the required information and click Submit or Continue. On the pop-up screen, click on OK to proceed to update your bank details. Please click on the drop-down to select your bank and input your account number and Primary Offer login password. Once you enter your bank details, if the details are correct, you will see a message stating Update Successful. Click Proceed. Fantastic! Your CSCS account is now in progress. You can now purchase shares. Click on the OK button to be directed to the transaction page to review your order. Please tick on the terms and conditions and click